Most people choose cloud storage based on price, but here's the surprising truth. Privacy matters far more than free space. Today we're reviewing Interxt and what it's really like to use this privacy-focused cloud service. Interxt is a cloud storage platform built around encryption and decentralization. Its main promise is that even the company itself cannot see your files. When you upload a file to Interxt, it's encrypted on your device before being stored. This means only you hold the keys. Most people get this wrong, but traditional cloud services can technically access your data. Interxt splits files into pieces and stores them across multiple servers. This reduces the risk of breaches and data loss. Even if one server fails, your data remains intact. The interface is clean and simple. You can upload, organize, and share files much like Google Drive or Dropbox. It also supports syncing across devices. One major benefit is transparency. Interxt promotes open source technology and privacy-first policies. For people concerned about surveillance or data selling, this is a strong selling point. Another advantage is pricing. Interxt often offers lifetime plans, meaning one-time payments instead of monthly fees. Over time, this can be significantly cheaper than subscription services. Now for the downsides. Performance is slower than mainstream cloud providers. Upload and download speeds may feel sluggish, especially for large files. The feature set is also limited. There are fewer collaboration tools, no advanced document editing, and limited third-party integrations. Customer support is decent, but not instant. Because the platform is smaller, responses may take time. So who is Interxt best for? It's ideal for privacy-focused users, journalists, remote workers, and anyone storing sensitive files. But if you need fast syncing, team collaboration, or productivity tools, Interxt may feel basic. The surprising truth about Interxt is that it trades convenience for control. And in a world where data is constantly exploited, control is becoming more valuable than speed. If this review helped you protect your digital life, subscribe for more honest tech reviews before choosing your next service.